So welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys are facing one issue, that is you are unable to find this work meet play game, and a lot of you have already joined this game. Now how to access this game and what is the latest update regarding this game? So as per the internal team, due to the seats issue, they have said they have removed this game, but I think they are just coming with a new idea, because if you observe earlier this game we have to complete from January to June. Okay, now the cohort is merged and we'll be having a single cohort as of the latest update, and maybe it will also change. As you have seen that there are a lot of changes in this cohort. First they removed the trivias, then they renamed it, then they completely removed the sprint games. So here is the latest update. You can see the work meet play game is removed, okay, from the arcade homepage. That means you cannot join it now. If you have already joined that game, then how you can access it? Let me just tell you. First of all, you have to just go to your profile and dashboard. Okay, you have to directly go to your dashboard, and from there you have to find the work skills. You can see over here. Let me just zoom out. So here you can see work meet play is showing over here. You have to just click on it and open directly. Okay, else I'll share the link of this particular game in the description box and pinned comment. From there you can just check out, and if you want to participate in this arcade program, you know nothing about it, then you can participate in this opportunity and get these goodies. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section, and if any of the labs is remaining, hurry up and complete it. So what will happen to all those people who have already completed the batch? Mostly they'll be getting the points as per the updates, and if any new changes come, I'll make a video for it. Thank you. Goodbye.